पाठ के नाम क्या है बच्चों? मीठे बोल। मीठे बोल बोलने से बी पोलाइट, टॉक स्वीटली टू अदर्स। सी चिल्ड्रन, फर्स्ट स्लाइड पे देखिए, फर्स्ट में देखिए क्या है? एक नगर, नगर मीन्स क्या है? टाउन। यस, एक नगर में एक दिन चिड़ियों का मेला, मेला बोलने से क्या है? एग्जीबिशन। मेला मीन्स एग्जीबिशन। I want all my kids kindly mute yourself. Mute yourself here. Yes. एक नगर में एक दिन चिड़ियों का मेला लगा. One town there was a one day birds exhibition. चिड़ियों का मेला means birds exhibition was held. In this exhibition, which exhibition is this? What exhibition? Birds exhibition. One town there was a one day birds exhibition. Birds exhibition was held. In our school also we conduct art exhibition, yes children, science exhibition, all that. Same like that in here, chidiya. Chidiya means birds exhibition. Okay, first line. Then you can see the second one. उस मेले, अगेन मेले मीन्स क्या है? एग्जीबिशन. उस मेले में तरह तरह, तरह तरह मीन्स डिफरेंट, डिफरेंट टाइप्स, तरह तरह की चिड़ियाएं थी. उस मेले में तरह तरह की चिड़ियाएं थी. I want all my kids listen here. Don't see the book. Don't see the book. Don't open your book. Just close your book and listen. Only see here, children. I will send the reading practice in your video, right? That time you open the video and open your book. That time you kindly practice. Now I want all my kids listen here and repeat after me. Okay? See second line देखिए. उस मेले में तरह तरह की चिड़ियाएं थी. What is that in the second line? In this exhibition, different types. See children, in this exhibition, different types of birds. See what are the words? First, for example. जैसे बोलने से क्या है? For example. The first one is मैना. Second word क्या है? कबूतर. कबूतर means pigeon. And third one, तोता. तोता. Yes, तोता बोलने से is the main character. तोता means what children? Parrot, right? And next is lalpar. Lalpar, red color bird, lalpar. And last adi. Adi means etc. In Hindi, whenever you are using adi, adi means etc. Okay. See children, in this para, see one day a sparrow, one day a bird's exhibition was held in a town. And second line, in this exhibition, different types of birds. For example, maina, kabutar, tota, lalpar, lalpar red color bird, peacock, pigeon, maina, all that, etc. Lot of birds in this exhibition. The first para. Yes. Now you can see the word meaning also. The first nagar. Nagar means क्या है? Town. Nagar means town. Din means day. Chidiyo means birds. And Mela means fair. Otherwise we call it as exhibition. Next क्या है? मैना. मैना bird name. Yes. And कबूतर बोलने से क्या है? Pigeon. And bulbul nightingale. And last tota, the main character. Tota means parrot. Children, next देखिए, next slide पे. सेठ. सेठ means the owner of the shop, right? एक सेठ अपनी दुकान के लिए एक तोता खरीदना, खरीदना means buy, to buy, खरीदना चाहता था. Again children, एक सेठ अपनी दुकान के लिए एक तोता खरीदना चाहता था. सेठ मीन्स कौन है? ओनर ऑफ द शॉप. यस. One minute children. Yes. Yes, children. सेठ बोलने से क्या है? ओनर ऑफ द शॉप. One owner of the shop, one सेठ wanted to buy a parrot for his shop. वो अपने दुकान के लिए एक तोता खरीदना चाहता था. He wanted, a state wanted to buy a parrot for his shop. Okay. Now you can see the second line. दूसरा line देखिए. एक पिंजरे. पिंजरे बोलने से क्या है? Cages. पिंजरे means cages. Okay. एक पिंजरे में बहुत बहुत सुंदर means क्या है बच्चों? Very beautiful. एक पिंजरे में बहुत सुंदर तोता देखा. He saw very beautiful parrot in a cage. See children, पिंजरे. एक पिंजरे means one cage. में बहुत सुंदर means very beautiful. He saw very beautiful parrot in a cage. Very beautiful parrot in a cage. Okay. Next last line. सेठ वही रुक गया. सेठ means the owner of the shop. सेठ वही रुक गया. रुक means stop. सेठ वही रुक गया. Yes. सेठ वही रुक गया means सेठ stopped there. See the second, third, last line. सेठ वही रुक बोलने से क्या है बच्चों? Stop. सेठ वही रुक गया. सेठ he stopped here. And see all the birds he is seeing. See first तोता. तोता को देखने लगा. He started to seeing the parrot. All the parrots. He started to seeing the parrots. All the parrots. See different types of birds in this exhibition, right? So the Seth wants to see all the birds for his shop. He wants to buy two for his shop. See children, this para. एक सेठ. I'm reading. Listen here. एक सेठ अपनी दुकान के लिए एक तोता खरीदना चाहता था. Kindly mute yourself. एक पिंजरे में बहुत सुंदर तोता वही रुक गया. तोते को देखने लगा. तोते को देखने लगा. Yourself here. Don't disturb the class. Kindly mute yourself. Yes, children. See in this para, one owner of the shop wanted to buy a parrot for his shop. He saw very beautiful parrot in a cage. Suddenly, the Seth stopped here and started to seeing the parrot. Okay, started to seeing the parrot. This para. Now you can see the example. The first example, Seth. Seth means the owner of the shop. And Dukan. Dukan means क्या है? Shop. And kharidna, to buying. Okay. Next, pinjre. Pinjre means cages, where the birds are living in the cages, right? In the shops, all the cages inside the birds are living, right? Cages. And bahut sundar. Sundar means beautiful, and bahut sundar means very beautiful. Okay, very beautiful. The parrot is looking very beautiful. Okay, bahut sundar. And ruk means kya hai? Stop. Ruk means kya hai? Stop. Yes. Here in this story, ruk means stop. In two meanings are there. Stop. Ruk means stop. Otherwise, we call it as wait. Okay. Now we can see the third slide. Children, continue the story. See here. Tote. This slide also we already finished, right? In the last class. तोता सेठ को देखकर बोला. तोता सेठ को देखकर बोला. Parrot said after seeing Seth. See children, the parrot is seeing the Seth, and after what he said, तू यहाँ क्यों आया? तू यहाँ क्यों आया? Why did you come here? See, when someone is entering your house, Suddenly you're saying, why did you come here? How they feel? They feel very sad, right? See how the child is behaving like a rude. This is polite manner? No. This is rude, like bad manner, bad habit, right, children? See how this bird is, how the parrot is said. The parrot suddenly said, why did you come here? तू यहाँ क्यों आया? चला जा यहाँ से. चला जा यहाँ से. Go from here. Yes, suddenly when the state is enter here, the parrot suddenly what he said? Why did you come here? Go from here. Yes, go from here. Don't talk like that. This is good habit or bad habit, children? Yes, this is good habit or bad habit. When someone is entering her house, you behaving like a bad habit, right? Very good. Bad habit. You always talk to others very politely and help to others. Yes, listen to others' words also. Yes, it's all. See, don't behave like this parrot. The first parrot is very bad, very behaving like a very rude, right? Yes. Again, one more time, children. Tota सेठ को, सॉरी चिल्ड्रन, तोता सेठ को देखकर बोला. तोता सेठ को देखकर बोला. Parrot said after seeing the sage. After seeing the sage, why here? What he said? तू यहाँ क्यों आया? Why did you come here? तू यहाँ क्यों? क्यों means why. See children, Q means why, okay? Tu yaha. Yaha. Tu means you and yaha means here. And Q बोलने से क्या है? Why. Aya. Came here, okay? Why did you came here? And next what he said, the second word, चला जा यहाँ से. चला जा यहाँ से. चला means go. Go from here. चला जा यहाँ से. Let's see the meaning for this word also. See the first one, children. Tota. Tota बोले से क्या है? Parrot. Tota means parrot. And देखकर बोले से after seeing. देखकर. I want all my kids also repeat after me. First one. Tota बोले से क्या है? Parrot. And second, देखकर. देखकर means after seeing. यहाँ. यहाँ means here. क्यों बोले से? Yes, why. And last one, chala ja. Chala ja means go. Go from here, go here. Yes, chala ja. Go. Yes, children, we finished 3 slides. Yes, we continue the next slide. But I want any doubt from these 3 slides. Then ma'am is continue to the next one. Any doubt, children? Kindly text in the chat box. Otherwise, we will continue the story. Yes, children, any doubt? Kindly message in your chat box.
Ma'am, please.
Yes, children.
Slide one more time.
Yes, slide one more time, right? Yes, okay, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, kindly mute yourself, dear. Ma'am is, I'm going to tell you the one more time the previous slide. I want all my kids, Supramani, yes, Supramani, kindly, yes, thank you, dear. Well, one more time, see here, Tota, said, को देखकर. देखकर means seeing. देखकर बोला. तोता सेठ को देखकर बोला. तोता सेठ को देखकर बोला. Parrot said after seeing the सेठ. When सेठ is coming here, right? He was seeing the bird. Then suddenly what the parrot said? He said, "तू यहाँ क्यों आया? तू यहाँ क्यों आया? Why did you come from here? Why did you come from here?" He is asking very rudely, bad manner, right? Rudely he is asking, why did you come here? Like that. Then second word, what he told? Go from here. Go from here. चला जा यहाँ से. चला जा यहाँ से. That means go from here. Yes, children. See in this slide, seeing the parrot, and parrot said after seeing the said, why did you come here? Why did you come here? Go from here. She is suddenly saying like that. Yes. तोता सेठ को देखकर बोला, तू यहाँ क्यों आया? चला जा यहाँ से. Yes. Next slide. Shall we continue the story, children? Yes, children. Shall we continue the story? See here. Seth. The first line. Seth. Seth बोलने से क्या है? The owner of the shop. सेठ बोलने से क्या है? ओनर ऑफ द शॉप. यस. सेठ और आगे बढ़ा. सेठ और आगे बढ़ा. दैट मीन्स सेठ मूव्ड टू अनदर केज. ही वांट टू फॉरवर्ड बिकॉज दैट फर्स्ट पैरेट इज बिहेविंग लाइक ए रूड, राइट?
one doubt.
यस हियर.
Why parrot tail taker बोला?
Why parrot
Tail taker बोला.
the parrot is behaving like a rude deer. The first parrot, see, when the owner is coming here, suddenly the parrot said, go, why did you come here? Go from heaven. He is talking very rude manner. So the state is moving from here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dear. See, children, this line, this para, you can see the first line, state. State और आगे बढ़ा. See, children, state और आगे बढ़ा. That means state moved to another cage. Another cages to forward. We don't want to stand in the first parrot because the first parrot is behaving very rude, like he's not speaking very well. Her behavior is very bad. So the sage wants to move. सेठ और आगे बढ़ा. नेक्स्ट दूसरे पिंजरे means the second cage. The first parrot is behaving very rude, right? So he wants to move to the another cage. Then दूसरे पिंजरे means the second cage. Second cages, दूसरे पिंजरे के तोते के सामने जा खड़ा हुआ. One more time, children. सेठ और आगे बढ़ा. दूसरे पिंजरे के तोते के सामने जा खड़ा हुआ. See, children, the sage moved to another cages. Then what he's seeing? He's seeing another one more parrot in the another cage. So standing in the front of the another parrot, he want to see the second cage. Yes, he moving forward and he's seeing the second cage. See what happened the next. वह तोता बोला. In the second parrot. See, children, the first parrot behavior is very bad, behaving like a rude. The second word we will see the behavior for the second parrot. Okay. वह तोता बोला. The second parrot said. वह तोता बोला. The second parrot, what he said? Ram Ram. The wishing when you are coming inside the class, what you all are wishing? Jai Gurudev ma'am, Namaste ma'am. Yes, this all are good morning ma'am, happy morning. You all are wishing when someone is entering your house. You join your palm and say like Namaste, Vanakkam, like that, right? Vanakkam, Vanga ulla, Ukkarunga, like that. So this one also in Hindi, Ram Ram, wishing. Greet, yes, greet. Greet को क्या बोलेंगे? Wishing. The second bird is see wishing the owner. Ram Ram, आइए बैठिए. आइए बैठिए means आइए means come, and बैठिए means sit. Come and sit. See, the first bird is behaving very rude, right, children? The second bird, see how the second bird is talking. Ram Ram. First he wishing the owner Ram Ram. Then after that, आइए बैठिए. Ram Ram, come and sit. Ram Ram means that wishing, children. Don't get confused. Ram Ram. Yes, wishing. In God name also Ram Ram, like that. In owner of the share, owner of the shop, when entering, the bird suddenly said, Ram Ram, आइए बैठिए, come and sit. Next you can see the next line. आप अच्छी तरह से है. See children, listen carefully. आप अच्छी तरह से है. When someone is entering, how he is asking. See how he asking. How are you? Like that. Don't share the annotation request here. See, आप अच्छी तरह से है. How are you? He is asking, how are you? आप अच्छी तरह से है. सेठ को इस तोते की बोली बहुत अच्छी लगी. See children, when the sage is coming to the second parrot, how the second parrot is talking? Ram Ram, आइए बैठिए. Ram Ram, come and sit, like that. Then after that, what the parrot is saying? How are you? How are you? Are you well? Like that he is asking. आप अच्छी तरह से है. How are you? Otherwise, are you well? Like that the parrot is asking to the owner. How are you? Are you feel better? Are you feel happy? Like that. आप अच्छी तरह से है. सेकेंड क्या है? सेठ को इस तोते की बोली बहुत अच्छी लगी. One more time children. सेठ means the owner of the shop. सेठ को इस तोते, this parrot is means this. Okay children, this parrot इस तोते की बोली बहुत अच्छी लगी. बहुत अच्छी लगी. See children, in this line, Seth liked this parrot very well because the parrot is talking very politely and sweetly, right? Whenever someone is talk politely and sweetly, we also love to talk. Yes, children like to talk. So Seth also liked this parrot. Seth liked this parrot very well because a parrot spoke very politely, kindly, yes, talk very sweetly. See children, next, वे खुश हो गए. वे खुश means happy. खुश बोलने से क्या है बच्चों? Happy, very happy. See, वे खुश हो गए. He became, the sage become very happy. Because the first bird is behaving like a rude, but the second bird, how they wishing to the others and talk sweetly, right? So the sage very happy to see this bird. One more time children, the third line. सेठ को इस तोते की बोली बहुत अच्छी लगी. वे खुश हो गए. वे खुश हो गए. That means in this line, Seth means owner of the shop, dear. Owner of the shop, Seth.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Seth. See children, this line, this two line, ma'am is going to tell in English. Seth liked this parrot very well because a parrot spoke very politely, kindly and talked to others very sweetly, right? So he became very happy. वे खुश हो गए means he became very happy. When someone is entering your house, you welcoming and come and sit, आइए बैठिए, like that you have to tell. See the guest is very happy. See how the girl and how the boy is speaking very politely. See how the manner, this good manner, right children? I want all my kids daily follow. When someone is entering your house, talk politely, okay? See, वे खुश हो गए. He became very happy. Next we can see the next line children. उसके मालिक को बुलाकर. उसके मालिक means that parrot's owner, calling the owner of the parrot. See, this is a bird's exhibition, right? So this parrot owner is one of them. See, calling the owner of the parrot. The sage wants to calling the owner of the parrot and uske dam means the rate, the price. See children, whenever we are entering into any mall, any shop, What is the we asking, right? What is the price for this thing? Yes, like that the Seth is asking what is the price of the bird, right? See, उसके मालिक को बुलाकर, he called the owner of the parrot and he asking, उसके दाम पूछकर वह तोते 1000 रुपए में खरीद लिया. See children, in this line calling the owner of the parrot and asking his price of parrot. He wants to ask the parrot's price and he brought the parrot for rupees 1000. 1000. 1000 को हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? 1000. 1000. 1000 means 1000. He wants to buy the parrot. The parrot, what is the price for the second parrot bird? Yes, 1000. 1000. 1000. See children, repeat again one more time. Listen here. See children, one more time to listen the story for in this para. सेठ और आगे बढ़ा, दूसरे पिंजड़े के तोते के सामने जा खड़ा हुआ. वह तोता बोला, राम राम, आइए बैठिए, आप अच्छी तरह से है. सेठ को इस तोते yes dear,
Ram.
yes, Ram Ram means wishing. When someone is when you are entering your online class, what we all wishing, right? Jai Gurudev ma'am, happy morning, like that. The bird is wishing. Okay children, the greet, Ram Ram, that word. Okay. सेठ को इस तोते की बोली बहुत अच्छी लगी. वे खुश हो गए. उसने उसके मालिक को बुलाकर उसके दाम पूछकर वह तोता 1000 रुपए में खरीद लिया. खरीद means brought. He brought the parrot for rupees 1000. कितने रुपीस है पैरेट का? हाउ, व्हाट इज द प्राइस फॉर दिस पैरेट? 1000. Yes children, 1000. 1000 means 1 and 1000 means 1000. 1000. 1000. 1000. See children, in this para talks about, see when parrot said the second parents, when the Seth is standing to the second parrot, right? Parrot suddenly said Ram Ram. Yes, he is wishing. Ram Ram, come and sit. Then second line, how are you? Are you well? Seth suddenly liked the parrot. Liked this parrot very well because the parrot spoke very politely. Yes, he became very happy. The Seth became very happy children. Then calling the, what suddenly he saw? He wants this parrot, so he calling the parrot, the owner of the parrot, and asking his price of parrot, asking the price. And what happened? He brought the parrot for rupees, how much? Rupees 100, 1000, 1000. He brought the parrot for rupees 1000, 1000, 1000. Yes children, in this para you have any doubt? One more time, see children, meaning also, we will see the meaning also, then see ask your doubt, okay? See, आगे बढ़े means move forward. आगे बढ़े, move forward. I want all my kids repeat after me. The first one, आगे बढ़े, moved forward. And second one, दूसरे means other. He forward to others, right? Other words, दूसरे. Then khada means to stand. When seeing the second word, the Seth, what he do? He stand, right? So to stand, khada. Then आइए बैठिए, Ram Ram, आइए बैठिए. The tota said, right? The parrot said what? Ram Ram, आइए बैठिए. आइए बैठिए means come and sit. आइए बैठिए बोलने से क्या है? Come and sit. Next देखिए, खुश means happy, very happy. The parrot is talking very politely, so the owner is very well happy, right? वे बहुत खुश हुए. Yes, खुश means happy. Next, Malik. Malik means that owner. See children, that Seth. The Seth is the owner of the shop and the Malik is the bird's owner. See, this is in the exhibition. We all conduct in the exhibition, right? So, so many owners are there. The one of the owner is Malik. Malik means the bird's owner. The bird's owner, okay? And next, Bulakar. Bulakar means be calling. Bulakar. And Dam. Kitne Dam? Yes. Dam means the price, the rate. Dam. And last one, Hazar. Ek Hazar. 1,000. Hazar. Ek Hazar. 1,000. Yes, children, the first one, Aage Bade, moved forward. दूसरे, others, खड़ा, stand, आइए, बैठिए, come and sit, खुश, happy, मालिक, owner, बुलाकर, by calling, दाम, price, and हजार means 1,000, एक हजार, 1,000, children, एक हजार, okay? Any doubt, children, in this para? Any doubt? Anybody having any doubt, children? Otherwise, we will move to the next one. Yes, children, kindly text in your chat box. Any doubt for this para?
No, ma'am.
No doubt, children? Yes, very good.
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Okay. Okay, children, shall we continue the story? Okay, children, see the continues for the story. That's last para. This is the last para. So I want first to tell the meaning for the last para. See first one, pehle. Pehle means the first, pehle. And kitna means how much. Tumhare means yours, tumhare. Meetha bolna, to speak sweetly. Shakal means beautiful, the face, the form, how to form. Yes, form. Shakal. And kadve means bitter. And sir बोलने से क्या है? Head. And sharam se jhukna, sense of shame, otherwise bow down with shame, we call it as sense of shame, the last one. Shall we continue the story, children? See here. He asked the price, right, in the last slide. He brought the parrot for ₹1,000, right? 1,000. Then see the second, last slide, last para. See children, first we will read the last para. देखिए, पहले वाले तोते के मालिक ने सेठ से कहा. पहले वाले तोते के मालिक ने सेठ से कहा. The first line, children, the first owner of the parrot. Yes, the first owner. Who is the first parrot? The first behaving like a rude, like the first parrot. That parrot owner. The parrot owner told what he told? Let's see. Sethi, the owner of the shop. Sethi, ya tota. Seth means the owner of the shop. Sethi means the respect, children. Sethi means how to say. We are giving the teachers and principals that respect, right? The G. The using say G. Yes.
Ma'am,
yes, like
why the parrot said rudely?
The first bird is rude. The second bird is very polite, right?
Ma'am,
Yes,
I said the first parrot say what? First parrot said rude. What said rudely?
Rude means he said like, why did you come here? Go from away. Like that he was talking very rude, right? The first parrot is behaving very rude. That is bad manner, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Again the first owner wants to talk. First owner of the first bird owner. I hope the time is very less, so we will continue this para on the next session, children. I want some questions from your chat box. We will continue this para on the next session, okay? So only 5 minutes. Yes, sir. Yes, children. In this story, how many characters are there? I want answer from your chat box. In this story, how many characters are there? How many characters, children, in this story? Yes? 2, 3 characters. Yes, 3 characters. 4 character. Yes. How many characters? The first one parrot, the rude parrot, and second polite parrot, and the sage. Yes. Third and fourth that Malik. Right? The Malik. Malik, yes. Total how many characters in this? Here 5 characters. 5 characters. That first parrot owner also we will count.
And 5 characters.
Yes, 5 characters. Very good. 5 characters. In the last character, we will see the next session. Okay, children. Now, what is how the behavior of the first bird? The first parrot behavior. Very bad, rude. Yes, very bad. Right, children? He talked very badly to others. Yes, very good. And how the behavior of the second parrot? The second parrot, yes, kind, very polite, yes, talk very sweetly and greet to others, wishing, yeah, like wishing to others, yes, very good. Respect to others, yes. What is the meaning of Seth? Seth बोलने से क्या? कौन है? Seth means who is that Seth?
Owner of the shop.
Yes, owner of the shop. Very good. And what is the meaning of Tota? Tota means क्या है? Tota. Tota means yes. Parrot. Very good. Okay, children, बहुत सुंदर. बहुत सुंदर. बहुत सुंदर means what? बहुत सुंदर. Yes, very beautiful. Yes. Very good children. Okay, what is the meaning of मेला? मेला बोलने से क्या है? मेला.
Exhibition, ma'am. Exhibition, ma'am.
Fair, otherwise we call it as fair. Yes. Very good children, super. Okay, पिंजड़े. पिंजड़े बोलने से क्या है? What is the meaning of पिंजड़े? Pinjade means yes, cage. Yes, pinjada means cage, and pinjade means cages. Yes, children. Here singular and plural is used. Yes, pinjada means cage, and pinjade means cages. Okay. Then what is the meaning of 1000? 1000 क्या है?
1000.
1000. Very good. I'm very happy. My all kids are very fast to answering. Yes. Very good, children. Excellent. And always keep rocking like that. Yes. Yes. Very good, children. Okay, children. The meeting is going to end. We will meet the next session. Okay. Jai Gurudev. Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad, ma'am.
Say bye, dear friends. Mute your video, children. Dhanyavad, bachcho.
Bye, ma'am.
Dhanyavad, bachcho. Thank you, dear. Bye. Children.
Bye, thank you, ma'am.
Dhanyavad, bachcho. Have a nice day. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Be safe at home. Yes.
Bye, ma'am.
Dhanyavad, bachcho.
Dhanyavad, ma'am.
धन्यवाद बच्चों. Bye dear. Yes sir. Thank you Sridhar sir and thank you Kirti ma'am. धन्यवाद बच्चों. Check to be. धन्यवाद बच्चों. धन्यवाद बच्चों. Bye dears.
Thank you, ma'am.
धन्यवाद बच्चों. Thank you dear. Bye.